Hello friends, welcome to my channel Share Market Trading No Gambling. If you have visited this channel for the first time, I would request you to please subscribe to it and please click on the bell icon to receive the notification. Today's topic is about the best and fundamentally strong shares that you can buy under rupees 50 and 100 rupees. So with just rupees 50 and 100 you can buy shares. I have sorted them out for you here. However, I would request you to please watch this video completely, because just by knowing the name of the share will not help you, because I would also share the strategy on how you can buy these shares and stay safe in the market. So I would request you to please watch this video till the end. So here are a few things that you need to remember when you are investing in the small shares. Like for example, the shares around 50 rupees and 100 rupees are more volatile. So when I say volatile, it could be like fluctuating. The fluctuation in the share is too much. For example, if it can go 20% up today, it can even come down 20%. So you have to be very careful when you are choosing these shares. And the second thing to remember here is you need to have proper funds to invest in this share. For example, if you buy the share today, you should not put the full amount there. You should also save some amount so that you can invest again if the share comes down 15 to 20% lower, because as I said, there will be a lot of fluctuation. So you can average the price over there and you can expect good returns. So you need to have a long-term perspective with perfect plan. For example, I'm investing today for rupees 50. What I usually do here is, when the share hits rupees 100, I will take out the capital amount which I invested, like rupees 50, and then leave the profit amount in the share, so that if it grows in future, I will get the 100% benefit out of it and I'm not losing anything. And that at a stage where the share reaches 100, I will not be at any risk at all. The risk reward ratio will be 0. The next thing is very important, where I would like to specifically mention this very important, because here a lot of people, what they do is, when they see a share which is trading at a lower price, they think that it will become multi-bagger share in future. Not every small share becomes a multi-bagger share. So you need to invest very small amount. Start with very small amount based on the business pattern what you see, and then if you are really interested in the share, then you can slowly increase your installments in a SIP mode. And and another most important thing here is, it is really difficult to find good stocks. However, I have tried my best to find few stocks which I have also invested, and I think that this can give you good returns in future. Now let's go to our shares which are under rupees 100, and I think these are the good shares which are available at a very low price, and you can invest in them for a long term. So the first stock which we want to talk about is Federal Bank. The current price of the share is almost around 53, and it is trading in between 51 rupees to 53 rupees currently. So this is one of the best mid-cap stock I have seen. And also, the best thing about this share is they are also into gold financing. So this gold financing is one of the secured form of loan business, where I see lending business, whereas when compared to other banks. And the recent government has approved the banks to the banks which lend money for the gold, they can give the loan amount up to 95% of the gold amount to the customers, so that this will drive more customers coming to towards bank instead of going to the loan providers like Muthoot Finance or other. So this is a plus advantage what I see for this stock. So the next thing is, this stock has been doing really good with its quarterly results, and this is one of the banks which have consistently giving good profit and results in the quarters. However, what I believe is, if there was no pandemic in the current situation, this stock would have been trading around 100 to 150 rupees for sure. So the main reason why I have chosen this stock is, this is available at a cheaper price, but this is 100% fundamentally too strong share based on the price which we are paying for it. It's around 51 to 53 rupees, which is really good stock you can get at this price. However, as we all know that due to moratorium, the banks are little under pressure for quite some time, and this pressure may continue for few months. But however, in the long run, definitely you will have this share, uh, being a good performer and giving you good returns in future for sure. If you see here, you can clearly see that the stock has been performing really good till 2016 and 18. The only reason why it started falling from here is because there was always like little bit pressure from for the mid cap shares after 2018. However, the share again bounced back, and again this fall is due to COVID-19, and I still strongly believe that this share can give you good profits in long run. As I mentioned, you can see here clearly that the stock has been performing really good with its profit, and the quarterly results have been good in the past. Now let's go to our second stock, which is Lasa Super Generics. So Lasa Super Generics Limited, Lasa, is vertically integrated group spanning the entire animal and human healthcare value chain, from discovery to delivery, with establishment credential in research, manufacturing and global marketing. So this share is one of the share from the pharmaceutical industry, where I see, as you all know, that there is a big growth in the pharmaceutical industry currently, and the stocks are just growing. And what I see is this share is also in animal and human healthcare chain, which is a really added advantage for us to consider this shares to go upward in future. And I believe that the business model is really good. And the main reasons why I have chosen these shares, the first one is there are strong promoter holdings available here. I will show it to you on the NSE. And the other reason why I want to consider this stock is because this stock is available at a very cheap price when compared to other shares. So the third reason and the most important reason is the share has a very good balance sheet, and they are reducing their debts drastically. I'll show all the details to you right here. So if you see here, the quarterly results have been improving. It has almost become double since March to June quarter. And when we go to our shareholding pattern here, you will see that the shareholding pattern is also really good, where you see that the promoters have almost 64% of shares with them. And if you see here, the number of shares that the promoters have pledged are just 0. So if you see here, they have not pledged any shares to get any loans from any other lenders. So here is the balance sheet of this share. If you see here, this share has very good reserves in terms of, it has been growing here. So if you see in March 2017, they had 74 crores of reserves, and it has drastically been increasing, and currently it has come up to 100 crores of reserves. And if you go to the total debt here, if you see here, the debt has been reducing for the company, and if you see that it has come to 34 crores, and this can become anytime 0, because they have similarly reduced the secured loans previously, and now they are they are planning to reduce the secured loan also. So if you see here, the debts have been reducing. And if you consider about their cash and bank balance, that is also been improving over the years. For example, if you see here, they had 1 crore, then they went up to 2 crores, and then if you see here, they have gone up to 6 crores in the current March quarter. So which is a very good sign for the company to grow in future. So what I suggest here is, you can start investing in these small shares. Like, even if you can invest to purchase 1 or 2 shares per month, and if you want to see how the share market works, this is the best shares which you can pick up, and you can start investing in. And once you get the confidence in the stock market, you can learn more about it and start investing more. And now we go to the stocks which are below rupees 50 rupees. You can buy these stocks around 50 rupees, and you these are the good stocks which I have chosen for you. You can also look for any other stocks which you believe are better, and you can comment it in the comment box. The one of my favorite stocks under rupees 50 is a railway stock, which I want to show you here. This stock is known as RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. As you all know, with the name itself, it's going to be a government subsidiary. For sure, this is PSU company, which means the majority shareholders is government, the current government, or it is named under the current governor, President of India. Sorry. So the main few reasons which I bought this share is because this shares have been performing really good, and the quarterly results have been improving consistently. And the other reason is that this share is very new, and it is listed very recently and has very good growth potential for future. So I will show the same share over NSE, and I will also show their balance sheet and how it looks. So if you see here, these are the financial results of the company in the past quarters. If you see that the current quarter has performed, almost 14,315 crore. I understand that this is less when compared to the previous quarter. However, based on the industry it is into, like the railway industry has been, quite heavily damaged due to COVID situation. But however, this company has managed to post good results, even though during the current situation wherein even the IRCTC was not able to impress with their results. However, this share has been performing really good in the current situation also. That is one of the reason why I believe that this share can grow to a higher price in future, but it's not a day or 2 days game. It will definitely take some time. And if you see here, you can see clearly that the promoters of this share have a very good shareholding, which is 87%. The maximum that a company can hold is 75. So this people, the company owners need to bring this down to the 75% exactly. That is to comply with the SEBI rules. Now let's go to their balance sheet, where I see the reserves have been growing consistently. You can also notice the same thing here. The trend has been really good. If you go towards the total debt of the company, the debt is increasing. However, this is one of like penny stock which you are seeing currently, and they will need debts to complete their infrastructure projects in order to build the railway and stuffs like that. And the debts is a little bit concern here, but at a price below 25, I think this is the one of the best picks which you can go for. And since it is a PSU company, the risk is also less, and the company is really listed very recently, and you can actually see very good growth in future. If you see the good part here, you can see that the investments of the company has been growing consistently. And if you see the cash and bank balance for this company has been increasing over the years. If you see here, in the last few quarters it has been increasing. However, in the past they had very good cash and bank balance, which has reduced to a bit. But as I said, with respect to the company and the type of company it's into, they have good amount of cash available with them, so that will actually help them in future if they have any issues. The next share which I want to talk about here is from one of my favorite sectors, that is chemical sector, and also belongs to pharma sector. The next share here is Biophil Chemical and Pharma or Chemical. So if you see here, the current price of the share is around 50 rupees. And the main reasons why I have picked up this share is this belongs to both pharma and chemical industry, which are the best performers currently. If you see the indexes, you will see that the chemical sector and the pharma sector has been doing really good in this current situation due to the different benefits which they have got from globally. So also the second thing which I want to talk about here is this is also a new listing. So if you see here on the new, there will be a better growth potential in the share for your long term journey. For example, you know, like the this is not a share which has, like, you know, gone up and then come down. It is in its beginning of its journey, and it can go to higher levels in future. And I see that this company has a very good strong fundamentals which you can consider. I will definitely show it to you over here. If you see here, this company has been listed before 2018, and if you see here, the company's chart pattern is also going upward, and this is a very good company based on the sectors which it belongs to. Also, I'll show you some more details here. If you see here, you know, you can clearly see that the company has been performing really well with respect to the quarterly results. You can clearly see that the quarterly results have been growing better and better. It's almost become double here. It was 14 crore, and it is almost at a 75% of growth from quarter to quarter. If you see the shareholding pattern also, which is really good, you can see that clearly that the company holds 46 to 47% of its stakes. And you can see that you know, there are the shares have not been pledged, which is a really good advantage for the company like this, which is a small company, and they are you know, self-dependent over here, and they have not pledged their shares in order to get the money from the banks. If you see here, the company is really small, and if you see that the reserves have been improving, so they were at minus 5 crores earlier, and they have now come down to minus 1.3, and very soon they might come to, you know, positive reserves which they will have in future. And with regards to the loans, they have a very less amount of role, and it has been in a reducing pattern. If you see here, in the last quarter they had 1.64 crore of loans, and it is almost debt free company. However, it will definitely take time to show it on their balance sheet, and you know, I see that they have very good growth potential for future. As I mentioned here, you can clearly see that, you know, they have 26 lakh of cash in bank balance, which is really good. However, the company is too small, but let me tell you that it doesn't take much time for a company to grow in this pattern. For example, the company is growing at a rate of 75% in a quarter, which is really good for any company, and I believe that, you know, this can do well in future. So now, before I move to the next slide or the share, I would like to tell you that these are the shares which you can invest in, but the risk is little too high. But however, you can definitely start investing them with a minimum amount, so that even if it falls down to 20-30%, you're not at loss, and you can invest one more installment and wait for it. For example, what I have done in this share is I have invested close to 1000 rupees when the share was around 35 rupees. Now the share is trading at 54 exactly. So when it reaches around 70 rupees, what I will do is I'll take out my capital and leave the profit over there itself, and if the share gets corrected in future, I will definitely buy more shares in the money which I took it from the market. So that way I will always be in a better position to carry this share for a long term. So similarly, do that for the small shares. Do not invest all your money over here, and make sure you give the least part of your portfolio to have small shares. However, for a person who is learning, you can start investing in these shares even with one or two quantities, and see how the market works exactly, so that you are out of that dilemma or mindset that the stock market is gambling. So I would request you all to please consider this, and if you like this content, do hit on the like button, and do share it with your friends so that they get educated about the stock market. So the next share which I want to talk about here is, this is a very risky share, and you can choose even to avoid this share if you do not like it. However, I have taken a risky pattern here, and I have gone for this share, so that I can actually I think that the share has good potential and good fundamentals, but it's been unlucky for a quite long time. So the stock is here, right here, and it is a well-known stock. It is Vakrangi. So if you see here, this is currently trading at a very low price, which is 27 rupees, and this is this is a stock which belongs to IT sector, and if you see, the stock is actually debt free here, and the company, actually this stock was trading at around 400 rupees in the past, but it has come down to almost 27 rupees now. And however, the reasons why the stock has been crashed is because there was an allegation. There were multiple allegations on the company. For example, they as I read somewhere, I see that the allegations were like the one of the board members of this company were buying these stocks and selling with among each other to increase the price of this share. But however, as per the fundamentals of the company has been good, and performing really well in the past, and it is a debt free company, which is an advantage. And investing rupees 27 rupees for this share is okay, I believe. And I will definitely say that it is a risky share, and tomorrow it may become even zero. So that is a calculated risk which I have taken, and it is all up to you if you want to get into this share, or you can avoid this completely. However, I will completely show you the chart pattern and all other details of this company along with the balance sheet right here. As I told you here, the share was actually trading at almost rupees 500 here in the year 2018, and since after that it has been like going down and down, and it is currently trading at 27 rupees. So even if you are like decided that you want to take that risk, the risk should be very minimum, and I would suggest you not to invest more than 500 to 1000 rupees in this share, so that even if you think that it can go in future, just try it with 1000 rupees so that even if it becomes zero tomorrow, you will not think that you have lost much, and also you will think that it was your decision which you took. However, let's move forward, and I will show you a few more details over here. If you see here, the quarterly results have been down. This is totally due to the COVID situation. However, also, if I can show you this shareholding pattern of this company, you can clearly see that the company owners hold almost 42% of the shares. In reason why I usually show this information about the promoter holdings in a company is because so for example, I own a company and I have the highest shareholdings with me, and I have not shared it with anybody. So if anything happens to the company, if the company goes into loss or something in future, the highest damage will happen to me only. So it is important to see the shareholding pattern. If the promoters are holding a good amount of shares, that means that they will definitely, they are sure about their company and they want to improve it, improve the performance of the company in the long run. So otherwise, usually when a company is going into loss and stuff like that, they usually sell the shares, or they even pledge them. And if you see here, the shares have not even been pledged till date. So if you clearly see here, the percentage of pledged shares is also zero, which is a good sign for the company. Now let's go to the balance sheet of the company. If you clearly see here, the best thing about this company is the debt part. The total debt is gone to zero, and the reserves have been consistently improving over the years, and currently they have gone up to 2500 crores, which is a very good sign. Here if you see that the reserves have been growing, which is a good part for the company, and you can see some future growth over years. So friends, these are the stocks which I wanted to share with you under rupees 150, so that you can decide on which are the shares which you want to go for and which you are confident about. If you actually like the content in this video, please do share it with your friends and family. And a video, I would request you all to please see the complete video before you take any actions, so that you plan a strategy before investing in shares, and in order to get good profits in future. Do not jump into stocks which I have mentioned here. Please do your own research, and you can actually start buying in a small quantity, like rupees 500, 100, 200, whatever you feel is right. And once you get into the stock market, keep learning and keep practicing thing. Do book trading. Otherwise, write down the share price today, and let's see after a few months or years how it performs. And I will definitely share my inputs in future too. So stay tuned to my channel, and to receive the future updates, and do comment or share feedbacks if you have any.